Morning. Been having an issue. I've read it online as well with a lot of 2018 to 2022 Toyota Corollas, where you're just driving along and the windshield wipers come on at high speed for absolutely no reason. A lot of articles talking about what's causing it. I already looked at the wiper motor connection under the hood, and I didn't find anything there wrong. So I'm guessing that it's the stalk for the wipers on the actual steering column. So we're gonna pull that out and put a new one in, factory OEM stalk, and see if that clears up that issue that's been happening. Again, it's random. It can not happen for a week, and it can do it 4 times in one day. So very strange, but certainly trying to get to the bottom of it. So with that, we'll get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna basically look at the steering column. We're gonna turn the wheel. You've got a Phillips screw right here that holds this black plastic piece, and then you've also got one on the other side. So when you turn the wheel the other way, you'll see the other screw. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those 2 screws first and start from there. All right, so the left screw's out. Just took the right screw out, turning the wheel. And then you've got a 3rd screw directly under here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that one next. All right, so once you get that screw in the bottom off, we're gonna go ahead and pry gently. And it's a good location right here behind the wheel, where if you mark the plastic a little bit, you're really not gonna see that. But we're gonna go ahead and pry this down and pull the cover down. All right, so once you pry the plastic, and it's best to use a plastic pry tool, again, so you don't mark the plastic, but the screwdriver will get it started, and then you can use the plastic tool to slide along the edge. Once you do that, you can flip the top cover up. It's attached to a little piece of rubber there that keeps stuff from falling down inside the dash. And then the bottom piece, again, will just hover in the bottom there, being held on by the front of the column. But once you get those 2 pieces out, you'll be able to see the actual arm itself for the wiper. We're going to go ahead and start removing that. All right, so to remove that arm, basically there's a little clip right here, actually right here in the front. If you just put a screwdriver in that, just bend that back slightly, very little pressure, and start pulling outward on the actual stalk, it'll come out. So once you do that, you're able to literally slide the stalk right out as one piece, and it's the only thing that holds it in is that one screw that holds the plastic in, and that one clip. All right, so when you push the stalk in, you're gonna hear a click. It's that clip that you released, and it'll snap back into place, automatically making its electrical connections on the backside. But once you're done there, you can just bring your plastic pieces down, snap them together, make sure this line right here lines up nice and even, and then put your screw back in the sides and in the bottom. And then once you're done that, you can test it out. Okay, so we're all done with that. Got all the screws back in, and then reassembled, tested. Here's the old part we took out. Basically, you can see where it snaps in with that clip, right there, that little clip that we released earlier. And then this is the screw that goes through the plastic that holds it into place. That's really the only thing that holds it, is that clip and this. Now, when you make that clip connection and you hear that click, you'll see these wires right here on the back side are actually what's connecting the stalk to the wiring harness to make that connection. So it's a pretty solid piece. Once it's in there, it's not going anywhere. Obviously, you can move it, and it feels nice and firm. We tested it and made sure it worked, and it's good. So let's hope that over the next few weeks we don't see the wipers popping on. Again, this is one of those issues where people have taken it to dealers, people have tried to troubleshoot it themselves and haven't really been able to resolve it. So I'm hoping this does it. All right, good luck, and thanks for watching.